Most pensioners don't realize this, but in 2026, you may qualify for more benefits than you think. A simple entitlement check can reveal support you never knew existed. Here's what every pensioner should know. Many older people assume they won't qualify because they have a small pension or modest savings. But the rules have changed, and thousands of pensioners who were rejected before may now be eligible. Here's what to check. 1. Pension credit. Even if you have a private pension, you may still qualify, especially for the savings credit part. This can unlock free dental care, council tax help, and other support. 2. Housing benefit. If your rent is high or your income is low, you may receive partial help. 3. Council tax reduction. Local schemes vary, but many pensioners qualify without realizing it. 4. Winter and energy support. Some support is automatic, but others require you to apply. 5. Attendance allowance. If daily tasks are difficult, you may qualify, even if you live alone or don't have a carer. 6. Carer's allowance, underlying entitlement. You may qualify without receiving the full payment. A quick online check or a call to your council can reveal extra support. Many pensioners miss out simply because they never check. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.